Is your sunscreen toxic? I'm Dr. Gigi, and this is your 1% Better tip of the day. So we live in Florida and we get plenty of sunshine all year round, and that is great because we do need sunlight to initiate the pathway where the vitamin D activates in our body, which is a crucial part of our immune system. We want several days a week at least to be out in the sun for 10 to 30 minutes. Obviously, if your skin is darker, you do want to stay a little bit longer out in the sun. But if you're staying longer than that, where now there's a potential that you get a sunburn, then you want to protect your skin and from skin damage and also from skin cancer that you might develop from staying too long in the sun. So it is important to protect your skin with a sunscreen. So there's two different sunscreens. There's the chemical ones and the mineral ones. The chemical ones work by absorbing UV rays and then making them into heat. The mineral ones actually repel the UV rays. So when it comes to the chemical ones, there's two chemicals that are really important to stay away from, and that is the oxybenzone and octinoxate. There are a few other ones, but these are the top ones that you want to stay away. They actually are hormone disruptors, and research has shown that when you apply sunscreen, those ingredients, those chemicals in the sunscreen are found in your blood, in your urine, and even in breast milk. So all that gets absorbed inside you. And actually in Hawaii in 2018, they banned sunscreens that contain those ingredients because they saw that it was damaging coral reefs. So if they're damaging your environment, you definitely don't want these in your body or on your skin. So make sure when you're looking for sunscreen to stay away from those two ingredients. When it comes to mineral ones, those are a little bit better because they repel the UV rays and they do not get absorbed in our body. So that's an alternative to the chemical ones there. So when you're looking for sunscreen, make sure you stay away from oxybenzone and octinoxate, and look for sunscreens that contain titanium dioxide or zinc oxide, which are the mineral ones. If you're feeling good, you want to even make your own natural sunscreen. You can make it by getting zinc oxide with some coconut oil and some essential oils of your preference for fragrance, and then you can make your own sunscreen like that. So try it out and let me know how it works for you.